Let me show you how to fix screen colors on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and also A11 Plus as well. So if your screen is way off, basically, you have colors that do not actually make sense or something is off. So you see, for example, again, it can be in pretty much any color, maybe like a greenish, like orange, red. So again, or maybe like inverted or stuff like that. So the most common way how basically these colors get messed up, you simply accidentally enable one of the accessibility settings that does this stuff. So if you swipe down basically from your top, basically, so over here in these quick settings, I find most people simply somehow accidentally like click on them or enable them, especially if you click this pencil thing. Click edit here. As you can also like add like this color filter here, color inversion, high contrast stuff here, and bunch of other things. So again, most likely you somehow accidentally enable it. So what we can do is we can simply go in the settings and then go to the accessibility settings. So almost at the end here. So if we go over here, click vision enhancements. So, and simply check what you actually have enabled. By default, nothing should be actually enabled here. So see, for example, I have basically a bunch of stuff here enabled. So simply again, go through here and simply disable everything. So you see, once I disable, so simply again, see what is actually being enabled here. By default, nothing really should be enabled here. So if you see something here, simply like disable it and the colors should return on your screen. Good luck.